In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom invite to your Gmail calendar. Whether you're coordinating meetings with colleagues, setting up virtual hangouts with friends, or planning any event that requires an online gathering, this skill is incredibly useful. We'll walk through the toolset right from Zoom to your Gmail in a simple and easy manner. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Zoom on your desktop. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you download it from Zoom's official website and set it up on your system. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with several options. Today's focus will be on scheduling a meeting, so direct your attention to the schedule button, usually found on the Zoom app's home interface. This is where you can configure your meeting's specific details. Click on schedule and Zoom will open up a new window. Here you'll see fields for the date and time. Select the date that best fits your plan and the time when you want your meeting to start. It's important to double check these settings to avoid scheduling conflicts or time zone errors, especially if you're dealing with participants across different locations. Once that's done, you'll want to click Save to keep all the changes intact. This action stores your meeting settings and prepares Zoom to generate a unique invite. Now let's head back to Zoom's homepage. In the home interface, look for three dots or an icon that signals more options. This is typically a menu for additional features that aren't immediately visible. Click on it and you'll find the Copy Invitation button among the choices. Click Copy Invitation and this will store the invitation details on your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere. Our next stop is your Gmail account. Open your web browser, go to the Gmail website and log in if you haven't already. Once inside, locate the Compose button to start drafting a new email. This will open a new email window where you can paste your meeting invitation. Simply paste the contents from your clipboard into the body of your email. You'll see that it includes the Zoom meeting link, meeting ID, and possibly a passcode if you've set one up. This makes it incredibly convenient for your recipients who will be only a click away from joining your meeting. Feel free to add a personalized message or any additional information your attendees might need. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Zoom into your Gmail calendar, allowing seamless communication with all necessary participants. This process not only keeps you organized, but also ensures your invitees have all the details they need right at their fingertips. Keep practicing this method and it will soon become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.